Here at Leggari, we show you how you can take your existing surfaces and coat them using our products. Today, watch how we coat this board to give it a new look using our epoxy. It's a simple process that can be done over laminate, concrete, wood, and more. Check the description below for more info.
All right guys, so I'm gonna make 48 ounces of part A, and then we need half of that of part B, which would be 24 ounces. So I'm gonna fill up 24 ounces in here. That way I'm not wasting product, because this only needs about 68 ounces of material to coat this board at 4 ounces a square foot, which is our standard counter kit thickness. And go right to that 24 ounce mark. So yeah, 68. So we're making about 68 ounces here. When you're not using a secondary mixing container like we teach a lot, we recommend that. You got to make sure you're scraping your sides really good. You're scraping the bottom really good with the paint stick, because you don't want unmixed part A on all the sides. You go to dump it out, maybe some of that trickles out the edge. Now you have an unmixed part A and you have a soft spot on your counter. So we always like using secondary mixing containers, and if you're not, take your time, scrape those edges really good, scrape the bottom, and mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So for this technique, I'm gonna be ghosting spray paint over this whole piece, and then I'm just gonna kind of skip this trowel across it kind of in a straight line, and it should create a bunch of cool chatter marks. And like I said, I'm gonna try to just do a straight line of those so they kind of all go in the same direction. Really simple technique, and it looks really good. So I got winter gray. Make sure you shake your cans up first, really good. And like I said, we're just gonna kind of ghost this board. Okay, that's done. Now we're just gonna kind of take this and just let it kind of chatter across. Kind of see how it just creates a chatter. I can kind of add more where I want it. And then we're going to just spritz it with isopropyl alcohol. All right guys, so I went kind of the same direction. You could go random passes if you want. Obviously you could use different spray paint colors, and then you don't necessarily have to spritz it with isopropyl, but it gives kind of that cell effects in between all the spots that were not blended with the squeegee. So yeah, we'll let this set up. We'll scrape the drips over the next hour or so, and show you the final footage.